welcome back to my channel. For you guys that are new, welcome. Today is another video. And today I'm going to be doing fake fidget trading. So let's get started. If you hear background noise or if Maggie is like messing around with my fidgets and stuff, sorry about that. And if you hear like some noise or anything, it's just me getting fidgets out of the drawer. So let's get started. Offering this glow in the dark Neato, going once, going twice. Me. I have a great offer. Nathan, what's your offer? I'll offer a Orbeez stress ball and a DNA ball. I'll accept. Thank you so much. On to the next offer. Offering this pink pop tube, going once, going twice. Me. I'll offer. Okay, then what's your offer? Offering this blue pop tube and this blue color changing jelly stress ball. I'll accept. I guess that's all for fidget trading today. Wait, is that what I think it is? That's my dream fidget. Who's offering for that? Hi, can I offer for that? Yeah, of course. What will you offer? Okay, so this is my offer. A zippy bracelet, a giant Neato, and a dimple, and a infinity cube. Accept. There you have it, guys. I have my dream fidget. Also, comment down below if you want me to do a part 2. I'm not going to make this a part 1 quite yet because I don't know if you guys want me to make other videos like this. So comment down below. Also, comment any video ideas down below. And if you like these videos or just like my videos in general, just please like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.